No, you have to jump. Ready?
Teka lang, jump na malayo.
It doesn't matter, basta you jump. You can jump far. Ready? Get set. Go! Lakad, lakad, lakad. Tap the bar, tap the bar. Go!
Sir, pwede namin tulungan umangat?
Ah, pwede. Oh, you can help them get up, ah? You can help them get up. Yeah. Okay. You have to get out of the water. Get out of the water. Get out of the water. Read it.
If to hoot and toot, hoot and toot, be taught by hot and toot tutor. Should the tutor get hot if the hot and toot should and toot at the hot and toot tutor?
Go!
Go, Dot!
Go!
Sideways!
Doon ka na sa kabila, doon ka na.
Dapat pala ganun, no?
Mag-cheer naman kayo! Go, Dottie! Go, Lisa!
Mami, wag lumangoy!
Sige, talon-talon ka lang!
Yan, sige!
Hindi pa pilit!
Up!
Nalulunod na si Mami!
Go!
Go, Dot!
Patay mo yung mata!
Okay, ganun, no?
Tapos nakakain ka mo na hawakan. Palungin mo lang. Bilis! Pagod na si Dottie! Bilis! Pagod na si Dottie!
May lubak ko. Malubak ka. Dot, may butas.
Dali, may shokoy sa likod mo, Dot! May matanda shokoy.
Dot, bawal na.
Read!
If to hoot and toot a Hottentot be taught by a Hottentot tutor, should the tutor get hot if the Hottentot taught should and toot at the Hottentot tutor?
Go!
Go, Ang tula.
Mali.
Ang hirap, dulat. Yan! Ano na si Audrey? Ang haba.
Mercy.
Hoy! Go!
Talon lang!
Madulas.
Audrey, go!
Audrey, picture muna! Pause muna, Audrey!
Pause!
Audrey, dito ka banda!
That's not your good side.
Oo! Hindi ikaw yan!
Hinabol. Dali! Uy, dali, dapat.
May ano ba siya?
Wala. Madulas yung ano.
Ang dulat.
Come!
Stop mo.
Go! Read!
Ay, sorry. If the toot and if to hoot and toot a Hottentot be taught by Hottentot, should the tutor get hot if the Hottentot toot should and toot the Hottentot tutor?
Go! Ibisan mo naman!
Madulas talaga. Ang dulas?
Kaya mo pa yan!
Ligo!
Ay, hindi, babasahin din yan. Ay, nga, sorry. May isa pa pala.
Sige, take advantage, mainin si Lee!
Lee, mabait ka, Lee, di ba?
Sweldo mo daw nakasalanan.
Hindi ka mapasweldo eh.
Hindi, ayos yung pay server nila!
Basa!
If to hoot and to tot and Hottentot be taught by a Hottentot tutor, should be the tutor get hot if the Hottentot should and toot and the Hottentot tutor.
Go! Here's your clue.